Hi and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I'll show you how to make this midi batwing dress using my new sewing pattern called Clara. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. To start, place two front panels on the wrong side and double roll the neckline edge. Be careful not to stretch or pull the edge while you sew to prevent the neckline from distorting. Top stitch the neckline. Double roll the neck edge on the back panel facing the wrong side and then top stitch. On the back panel facing the right side, place two front panels facing the wrong side and pin them together on the shoulders and underarms. Use a safety pin to secure overlap front panels. Then sew and overlock shoulders and armholes. To finish off the sleeves, repeat the same technique as with the neckline. Double fold the fabric and top stitch. Moving on to the skirt part, prepare front and back panels and overlock their side edges. Pin skirt panels right side to right side. Measure 35 cm from the hem up to mark the side split and the end of your stitch line. Then repeat the same steps on the other side. Overlock the skirt hem of front and back panels. Next, we'll move to the side split. Open the side seam and continue to fold each side evenly. And repeat the same steps on the other side. Then top stitch the split with a small back tack on the top to prevent seam from snapping. To finish off the skirt, fold the hem by 1 cm and top stitch. Then top and skirt together, starting from matching the sides. Then continue to match and pin the rest of the dress, and when you get to the neckline, pin one side first and then overlap with the other. Before we can sew it together, we need to insert the belt loops. Take a belt loop piece, fold it in half, and stitch. Trim the seam allowance and bag out using a loop turner. Then fold the belt loop in half and insert it to the side of the dress. Next, sew and overlock the waist. Next, we need to add the elastic to the waist. You can wrap a slightly stretched elastic around your waist to determine how much you'll need that way, or if you want your dress to be as tight as possible on the waist like me, and you want to have big gathers when the dress is done, you'll need to stretch the elastic as much as possible when you sew. So start with a small back tack and then stretch the elastic and sew it only to the seam allowance on the waist. As the final part, we need to make a belt. Sew belt panels together, right side to right side. Trim the seam allowance and fold the belt in half. You can use a safety pin or loop turner to turn the belt inside out. Roll the seam of the belt and press it with iron. To finish the ends of the belt, fold them inside by approximately 1 cm and top stitch. Now, as a final step, create a small stitch on the neckline. I would highly recommend you to put the dress on first to find your best spot, and if you prefer the dress to be a bit more plungy, make that secure stitch a bit lower. So for the reference, my secure stitch will be 11 cm up, measuring from the waist. And that's it, you own perfect summer dress using our Clara pattern. Thanks for watching.